Sahajaste, natural and authentic in me, affirms natural and authentic in you. Third chakra, solar chakra, is also called Manipura. Manipura means city of jewels like diamond, rubies, sapphire, and so on and so forth. Why it is called solar chakra or city of jewel? Because it contains lot of energy of action, because our emotions create passion, and through that passion we become active in the world, take action. So a lot of fire. That is why the element of this chakra is fire. Fire in the belly, because it is located between our belly button and lower part of the chest. And in that belly, it is connected with the gut brain. Gut brain is a very old brain which cannot think, but it feels. That is why we have gut feelings. So gut brain and element of fire. And as we know, without fire, there is no light. Light means we can see. So this chakra is connected with the eyes and seeing. And this chakra is another milestone in our evolution. So first came the body and then came the emotions. Chakra of emotions. What is the function of emotions? Better survival is number one. So for example, fear, emotion of fear. If I have no fear about my body's well-being, I will do damage to my body. So fear of that damage helps me for a longer and better survival. In excess, fear is bad. Right quantity, it is good. Same thing about anger. Too much anger is bad. But anger in right quantity helps me to prevent other people hurting me. That is a function of anger. So number one, survival through emotions. It helps us to live longer. Also, it gives meaning and purpose to life. So if I don't experience any emotions, world will become gray, dull, flat. I won't enjoy it. So some people who taking the medication for psychological problem, they stop enjoying the world because medication can flatten their emotions. But in most people, this chakra is partially blocked. Why? Because they suppress their emotions. All energy is trapped, quite often in the belly or in the chest. Because many people think we should not express our emotions at all or in a very controlled way. Of course, we don't want to hurt other people through our emotions, but nonetheless, it is important to express. So if we want to awaken this chakra, then I have to experience my emotions and express them. And I must be aware of other people's emotions also and help them to express, so that there will be a good behavior and good action in which we are not suppressing emotions. That is called emotional intelligence. So emotional intelligence is when I'm conscious of my emotion, other people's emotion, and adjust my behavior and action according to that. And ultimately, the sign of emotional intelligence is when I become emotionally independent. I'm not depending on other people. I'm connecting, I'm relating, I'm loving, but not depending. So that is the beauty of third chakra, Manipura chakra, solar chakra, that it is connected with fire so that we can see far ahead. It inspires us to take action. All kinds of revolution, reformations, they happen through this chakra. We can become emotionally intelligent and emotionally independent also. Also, our gut brain in the intestine functions well. So we have appropriate gut feelings, and those gut feelings will help us living in a better way. So blockage in this chakra can create many physical problems, including many emotional and mental health issues, because ultimately all mental health problems are directly or indirectly are emotional problems. So now I would like to show you few pictures to further elaborate on it. So here you can see with yellow is the solar chakra, third chakra or Manipura. It is shining like sun, that is why it's called solar chakra, and it has 10 frequencies, 10 dimensions, because emotions are more complex than the body. Now it is connected with the middle part of the brain. First and second chakra, they were connected with the lowest part of the brain. It is connected with this yellow part of the brain. Yellow part of the brain is called limbic system or mammalian brain. All our emotions are connected with this part of the brain. And the gland is pancreas. So you can see pancreas here, and pancreas is responsible for insulin and plays a role in diabetes. Whenever there is a problem with pancreas gland, means we are going to develop diabetes. And you can see the gut brain. So it is connected with a unique brain in the gut. And that gut brain affects our brain in the skull. So it is important that we have a healthy third chakra. Of course, emotions. And what is emotion? Emotion means which moves us outside, means action. As I mentioned, all actions, all revolution, reformation ultimately happen through emotion. And it comes actually from a French word, émouvoir. What is the difference between emotions and feelings? Emotions you can see on the face. Feelings are inside us. We feel inside, but they are not shown on the face. As I talked about, they play a very important role in the survival of the body, balance of the body, and also give color and meanings to the life. Without emotion, our life will be flat. And most of the mental health issues, they are connected with our emotions, and emotional problems are very common. And nowadays there is a big problem which is emerging in young people is about eating disorders, emotional eating. So whenever this third chakra is balanced, we develop emotional intelligence. And the practices of this chakra again is breathing, meditation, affirmation, and seed sound. So third chakra is a great leap in evolution of the life, and it brings us to another level of emotional consciousness. Sahajaste, natural in me affirms natural in you.